Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with Pattern of the Week. This one is for all of our northern friends in Canada. We call this Canada flag for obvious reasons. It is a 50 centimeter wide print, a red and transparent ink film. Red ink film. All the white you see is transparent in the print. Actually, I think this does have a white backing to it. I know I'm wrong. It's not transparent. It has a white backer on it. We're dipping to a white speed shape, direct ABS. As with all our films, we test them. All of our films we sell have been tested right here before they even go on the website. We'll soak them for 60 seconds at 90 degrees, and if we can get them to print, well, we'll sell them. If they don't print, we don't sell them. And we have had a few that did not want to cooperate and never went for sale. Alright, Canada flag, white base coat. That's a neat print. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.